Morning, Will. What's up? Late again today?
Hey Susie, oh God, just my luck. My car broke down right at the off ramp of the 405.
Yikes, that sucks.
Tell me about it. Plus all this rain. And yes, I forgot to bring an umbrella.
Well, here are the files you asked me for yesterday.
Thanks, Susie. See you at 5.
Oh, wait, one more thing. The boss wants to see you.
On the 14th floor or the 22nd?
The 31st.
Ah, shit. You gotta be kidding me. You know what that means, right? It was nice knowing you, Susie.
Come on, Will. He probably just wants some updates on the clients, that's all.
Yeah, right. Well, I better get going. Wish me luck.
See you, Will.
Oh, hey guys, can one more fit? Thanks. Oh, hi, Mark.
What's up, Will?
Hey, Jeff, nice tie. Thanks, Will. I bet you got that promotion. You know, working towards it at least. Excuse me, going up? Oh, Gavin, hello.
William, long time no see. Jeff, Mark, I used to work with him, and let me tell you, back then our whole team couldn't get league work done thanks to this guy. There wasn't a single day he wouldn't sneeze at least 10 times. Hell annoying if you ask me. I guess that's why I got promoted and not him. At least I was able to get some work done while he was busy sneezing his ass off. Isn't that right, William? Oh, I don't waste your time answering me. I know the boss wants to see you. Let's just hope he doesn't have any flowers in his office. That's me. See you around, fellas. So, that was something.
Yeah, yikes, I really miss working with him.
Whoa, what was that?
I think the elevator's stuck.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
No, I'm supposed to meet with a client in 10 minutes. If I lose this bloody account, gosh, I cannot lose that account.
Okay, maybe we can just call someone.
There's no reception in this bloody lift.
Well, at least the AC's still going strong. Can you imagine being trapped in here with all cold air blowing?
Please don't. Please don't. Not now. Not now. Oh my God. Oh my God, not now. Not now. Please. Please, no. Not now. Not now. Achoo. 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 Please. Please stop. Please. Please stop. Achoo. Please stop. Achoo. Guys, I'm so sorry, but I have to let one sneeze out. Oh my God, it's my allergies. Phew.
Bless you.
Oh, thanks. Oh no. Oh no. Phew. 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 Phew.
Wow, bless you.
Could you not do that? I'm a bit of a germaphobe. I'm so sorry. It's just allergies. I swear. The cold air makes me sneeze. Oh, and you can smell the dust coming through these vents. Still, it's gross, mate. I really can't help it. I really can't help it. Don't you dare sneeze again. Do bloody something. Put your bloody finger under your nose or whatever people do.
I'm trying to stop. I promise. Okay, okay, I'll try. I'll try. I have to sneeze. It's not really working. I'm gonna.
Phew. 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 Oh my God. You gotta be fucking joking. What the bloody hell is wrong with you?
I just have allergies. I have allergies.
Phew. Phew. Phew.
Bless you.
Oh my God. It feels like Florida in here now. The humidity's gone up just from your bloody sneezes. Can you at least not spray when you sneeze?
I can't. When I let them out, I spray. I can help it. Oh no. Here they come again.
Phew. 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 Phew.
Bless you so much.
Oh, thank you.
I'm so
sorry.
It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Kill me now. Just kill me. Oh my God. We're moving again. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I'm gonna escape this bloody hellhole. Oh, swear to God, I hope I never run into you and your fucking nose ever again.
I'm so sorry.
Ew.
Bless you.
God damn allergies. Always flaring up. At the worst moment. Oh my God. I hate my nose.
Well, I happen to think that was hella sexy.
What?
Your sneezes.
You're kidding, right? I'm a mess.
Here, this has my number on it. Give me a call sometime. See you around.
What just happened? Oh, it really does have his number on it. Oh, hi, Mark. Wow. Phew.